Hello and welcome to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. Founded in 2020, EduKitchen brings forth tried and tested recipes for learning which will bring about success on various educational topics both inside and outside the classroom. EduKitchen's recipes for learning will always include three important ingredients, which are enthusiasm, confidence, and most importantly, patience. Enthusiasm for learning is in all of us, and we just need to recognize its potential. Confidence and abilities to handle the job of learning new material may be small to begin with, but with understanding and time, will grow to new heights. And of course, patience. Patience and understanding the material means allowing mistakes to help you keep going rather than making you want to quit. Expressing emotions is part of any learning process. With that, let EduKitchen Educational Consulting Services help you get started maximizing your learning potential today.